How to increase follower on X Twitter. Step 1. Post regularly. Share your thoughts, opinions, memes, whatever fits your vibe, but stay active. Step 2. Add trending hashtags like #nowplaying, #Monday motivation, or whatever is hot. This makes your tweets easier to discover. Step 3. Reply to tweets, retweet cool posts, and join conversation. Being active equals more visibility. Step 4. Make your profile bio catchy with keywords that say who you are. Add a cool profile picture too. First impressions matter. Step 5. Pin your top tweet to the top of your profile. New visitors see it first. Step 6. Follow users in your niche. Some will follow back and you will grow in the right circles. Step 7. Tweet when your audience is active, usually mornings, lunch, or evenings. Pro tip. Ask fun questions in your tweets. Engagement results in visibility, and more visibility means more followers. And that's how you grow your X followers the smart way. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.